Hello, good evening everyone. This is Arjundhawan here to present my solution to this project, and it took a really great amount of time and a lot of patience and determination to finally finish this out. For the prerequisites, I am doing this on Node.js and using Google Cloud, such as required in the role backend role. Then I'm further using FMPG to convert the audios into different bit rates and everything. Then I'm using SOX to record my browser screen, not screen, just the audio to be processed and transcribed. Then we are using DeepGram or Google Cloud to basically convert the text or the speech to text. Yes. So let's go and start. I was working with Zoom, but basically then I switched to Google Meet because I found that much quicker in response to my bot. So that's why I'm preferring Google Meet right now. But we can definitely edit our Puppeteer script to make it adjustable for Zoom. I've used their SDK and we are able to join their meeting and everything. We are able to get our mic streams and everything, so it won't be much of an hassle later on. So let's just start it. So basically this is my file. I've divided and written comments to understand. So let's start the script first. Alright, as let's go. As you can see, it is getting ready and you will be able to connect, and it will insert automatically a test user, a username, and I got a notification on my main ID that someone wants to join this call. I will say view and I'll admit him, and let's ask some question. What is
What
cloud
is cloud
computing?
computing?
The conversion is complete. What is cloud computing? As you can see, the prompt. It's such a technology instead of relying on physical infrastructure. That is correct. So I guess he will now speak
I'm
up.
not a human, but I can still answer your question.
Okay.
Cloud computing is a technology that allows users to access computing resources such as servers, storage, and databases.
Yes, that was fine. We got a response from ChatGPT, and this basically explained the procedure. So let's go over the procedure first of all. So as I talked about, as I've used SOX to break down the audio of the tab, and then further going down we have used deepgram to transcribe it, and then further going on we have used GPT 3.5 turbo as the model to convert it and to convert the GPT response, and then we have basically converted it into a mic stream so as to pass into the Google Meets, you know, what do you say, audio stream, audio source. Yes, mic source. Alright, then we are basically stopping it and everything. One thing more that was really important to know was how to use this and what is the script based tasks, what does it actually does. So first of all, it basically launches a headless browser using Puppeteer Extra, and it navigates into the Google Meeting URL, and then it joins it using the Puppeteer scripts and by waiting for selectors and navigators, and then when it's joined it uses a name such as test user and everything. Then the main user will actually prompt to admit him inside of our meeting. Then basically a recording is started and it listens to user's input or the prompt or the question whatever he says, and then it stops, and then further it transcribe the whole audio script and then convert it into a text, and then make ChatGPT, make OpenAI give a reply to this, and then it further move on and tries to implement a text to speech, and then using the audio file I'm basically converting it into a mic stream or using it as a, you know, fake mic input source, so as my Google Meet is able to understand, then the Google Meet microphone is able to use that audio file as the main input for my mic, and then after it's done, the duration of the audio file is done, I'm basically stopping it, and we can repeat the whole scenario again and again. That seems to be a viable solution for this, but obviously optimizations has to be made in this as well. This is a 2-day task, and I think I have basically scavenged the whole internet for references, but I was able to find anything like, dominating and, meaningful and everything, because everything was getting everything that I was able to find was either paid, or it's not like available to any of the user, any of the researcher out there. So it was basically done from scratch, and I think I've been able to do a pretty decent and respectable job for this thing and project. Thanks a lot.